Hi guys, so today I'm working on a folding mirror of a BMW X3. Um, it was not holding by himself because this part was broken. The woman just hit something with the mirror, and this part broke, and the mirror was falling down. So this part is the replacement part. So you have to undo all the mirror, like the plastic cover and everything. So here you have the bottom part, like that the wire go through them, and you need to push the spring that I have here. You need to pry it, put it there while you put the new parts inside that, and after you lock it in there, but you have to release the pressure on the spring before so that the mirror is holding by himself. So that's it for today, guys.